Hey guys, how's it going? Today we received another dashboard from our client, Jose from Haney City, here in Florida, very close to where we are, our neighbor. And this dashboard is a very rare one from the 2011 to 2012 Sea-Doo jet ski. It fits the GTI 130, GTI 155 models, and GTX 215 and 260. Its part number is 278002659. The dashboard is completely original, and we've tested it. It only has a problem with the screen. With the LCD, which is very common, we repair, besides this specific model, all the models in the Sea-Doo line, because it's very common for the LCD to have a lot of issues. And with the needles, and also with the key reading, where it doesn't recognize the jet ski key, doesn't give the two beeps, and ends up not showing any information from the ECM. So this is a dashboard we're already used to repairing. And what we're going to do today is open it up and replace the LCD. But before that, I want to test it in its current state, and you guys are going to follow along with me now. Here's how we do it. We test this dashboard before we start working on it, so we can give the client an estimate and let them know the condition of the dashboard. So I'm going to hook it up to our simulator here, okay? This dashboard was sent to us by post office, post service, okay, via IMS. Let's do its first test today and get started, okay? So the LCD is really dark. You can't see any of the information from the onboard computer. Okay, the key was recognized, and the instrument panel is giving the two beeps. So here, apparently, it looks like it's just this screen that we need to repair and restore. And this dashboard is one that's a bit tricky these days because it's obsolete. If you go to the dealership counter, if you go to the authorized network, you won't be able to buy this unit because it's obsolete. Obsolete means it's no longer being manufactured. So the only option for the customer is to restore their original one, which I recommend because it's much better than trying to replace it with a new one, since new ones just don't exist anymore. And if you go for a used one, usually the used ones are in this kind of condition, or even worse. Since this part came original with the jet ski, it's highly recommended that we restore the original part, keeping the vessel's originality, okay? You also won't need to spend money later on ECM and dashboard programming. That would be the marriage between the dashboard and the ECM. So by restoring the original, all you have to do is plug it into the jet and it will work perfectly. Besides this dashboard, I have two more dashboards already finished that we're going to send to customers who are waiting for them. We're just going to wait for the restoration and finish up this dashboard here. So now we're going to move on to the repair, and when it's ready, we'll show you the result. We offered the customer the option to install lighting, in addition to putting in the new screen that we have here. We have several of these new screens here. See this? We're going to put in a new screen. And we're also going to offer the customer the option for restoration and installation of lighting. It looks really cool. I'll show you how the dashboard looks with lighting, and if the customer approves, we'll add lighting to this one too. Okay, let's go. Look. All right then, now the dashboard is fully prepared and functional with the brand new LCD installed, with the integrated lighting and the backlight completely finalized as well. Look at how it turned out. See how much nicer it looks with the night lighting, right? With the backlight on this LCD. Remember, this LCD has that IS lettering, so it's the Intelligent Suspension lettering. It's a very rare LCD and hard to find. So the dashboard for the GTI 155, GTX 255 is ready. Now we're just going to do a key recognition test. You can see here, reading key. Now I'm going to simulate the key recognition. Okay. Communicating with the ECM. Receiving here. Fuel key recognition completed. So here the communication tests are being carried out. With the ECM, let's check the fuel. I'm lowering the fuel here. The fuel is also working. Let's test the fuel. Okay, reserve. So the fuel gauge is also working perfectly. The siren is really loud. So every single one of the various functions of this comprehensive digital instrument panel are now active. The LCD is readable with lighting, and the backlight has been upgraded. Okay, so now let's move on to the assembly process with the acrylic. And this is the final result, folks. The panel was opened, closed, repaired, installed, and the LCD lighting was added. And notice that it still has the original acrylic. No cuts were made to the acrylic. We opened it using the standard procedure we developed and closed it again for our client. So we were able to open and close this panel and perform the maintenance. And leave it with this spectacular result. To finish up, let's do a key recognition test. Okay. Key recognized, communication with the ECM established. Notice that it's showing the 200 hours from the ECM here. So that means the panel's communication is working fine. If you're in the United States or in Florida, you can send your instrument panel for restoration to VELOMOTORS technology. What many people replace, we repair. VELOMOTORS technology.